Hi guys, I'm Michelle Ribeiro and I would like to explain to you about a technique I learned called the face framing technique. Okay, so face framing meaning it is done right in front next to your face and gives you the look that you have actually colored your full hair, but actually it's not. And also called the money piece because everyone now has a budget and cannot spend too much for color, for highlights, and so they always ask me, Michelle, which is the fastest way and the cheapest way, like according to my budget, what do I do, so this technique is really quick, fast, and also cheaper than a normal highlights or a global, and it looks nice. So I have actually tried it for myself and also done it for a few clients of mine, and they're pretty happy till they actually get in the whole mood of, okay, let's highlight, and now we can afford it. And I can understand, because now with what's happening, it's very hard to spend money only on hair. Okay, so anyway, so this technique is really simple, and if you can see, my darker bit there and the lighter bit on the in the front. So yeah, you can see better this side. Yeah, so basically I only color a band next to my face, like framing the face. So you can choose any colors you want. You can ask your stylist also, to help you out with like the color combination. It should match obviously with the back part of it, not too drastic, not too light, not too dark. So it's according to what you want. If you want to look a little funky, maybe your birthday is coming up and you want to do something crazy, or just have something done for a change or something, you can try this. It's really good. So, and see, if you can see the darker bit, I've not even touched up my grays. So I've just done the face framing like technique in front there, see, and yeah, and the darker bit is right behind over there. So I didn't want to color my whole hair this time. I didn't want to do highlights and all. So my the back part of my hair is darker and the front is the lighter part. So you can go to your stylist, or also call me up, no problem, I'll do it for you. So if you want a cheaper version of color, just something for a change and something maybe you are going out for, you can try this technique. Okay, it's called a face framing and it's money piece. So don't get charged too much for it. Make sure you're getting charged the basic. If you want to know details, you can comment below and I shall tell you how much, or you can DM me and I will explain to you about the ratings, okay, and what you need to look at when it comes to this technique. Okay, because it is not even so simple for a stylist, but at the same time, because maybe sometimes our Indian hair is dark and you need to bleach it first, you need to pre-lighten it first and then put a color, so that little bit will charge more, but not too much also, because it's all we always charge according to our procedures, so, and also our work. So for the time spent, so this is a quick one, so obviously it will be cheaper, it will be less, and it's only just in front. So why don't you try it? And if any questions, comment below, put your questions below, I will answer. Okay, and yes, try it out, because it's something, it's trending now. So you'll see many hairstylists doing these kind of techniques, budget wise, also not too much color wise on your hair. So it's good, it's fun also, you can like mix and match like a lot of colors, but make sure the two colors are blending, and have a difference, like you blend in but also will show a difference. So it should show the dark and the light, not too dark, not too light. So make sure your stylist will help you, or you can also call me up, no problem. Okay, bye.